Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download shaders in SKLauncher. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So make sure you have SKLauncher installed, updated and logged into your correct account, and you want to make sure that you have an Optifine version. If you don't, then simply click on Installation Manager, and then from here you're going to search for Optifine, and it's going to be part of this list. And once you have it, then you're going to just make sure that's installed, and that's it. Once you have that done, then you're just going to your browser, search for BSL shaders, and just click on here, for example. Then you're going to install it. So you don't need to install via the app. You can just download it by itself, and you can just click on download the zip file right here. Once you click on download the zip file, it's going to start the downloading. And you can see right here, we're just going to place it in the desktop. Once you have it, then just make sure that you have the location right here. Now, all you have to do is to launch Minecraft. Once you launch Minecraft, all you have to do is to click on Options, then in Video Settings, then click on Shaders, and then from here, you're going to open the Shaders folder. Once you open the Shaders folder, you're going to reopen the old file where we just downloaded, and you're just going to drag this file and move it to the Shaders folder right here. Once that is done, then you can see right here, we have just downloaded it, and once we click on it, then it's going to switch it. And now it's going to load it right here, and so we're going to click done, and so once you launch your world, then it's going to just load the resource packs, and there you go. Now we're playing Minecraft with shaders, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.